Hey there, iPhone users. How you can turn on and off automatic update on iPhone. To do this, go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Here, you'll see the automatic updates. Tap on it to turn automatic updates on or off. Simply toggle the switch iOS update under Automatically Install and Automatically Download. Go back at Settings page and scroll down at the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Here, tap on App Store. Scroll down and toggle on App Downloads and App Updates under Automatically Downloads section. That's it. If you turn automatic updates on, your iPhone will download and install updates when connected to Wi-Fi and a power source. Thanks for watching.